Hi. Oh, goddamn. That wasn't enough to get him unsubscribed. Let's cap it off with a shit-eating grin. Hello, welcome to episode 2 of
Witchcraft.
We're trying this episode out without the clickbait thumbnail, see how that does. Since episode 1, the first episode, I've had tons and tons of lovely comments. Everybody seems to love the idea, or at least those that are commenting. I mean, the views weren't astronomical, but they never are. But what we're doing here is we are crafting our own algorithm. Somebody said that. I stole that from somebody. I think that was a good idea, whoever that was. Now, for those of you that didn't see the last episode and are here for this episode, what I do is take a look at some crafting channels that get little to no attention. Some of them get some attention, but they'll get slightly less attention than me, which makes me a platform to promote them. We have four recommendations today. Also, a very special guest. We have a special crafting guest on today. Not me, someone else. You lucky people. Right, as ever, I have my trusty clipboard. I say as ever, this is the second episode. These recommendations came from you the viewer. A lot of you have been, well, there's been tons of recommendations. It's going to take me a few episodes to get through all of these. But a lot of good recommendations. So if you have any more, please comment below. First, this channel that I have on my list right here had the most recommendations of any other channel. And I'd never heard of them. So I'm learning things. The name be Physical Render. Physical Render. And the video is, I made a Totoro diorama, but it really rains. Boy, does it ever rain. In here. No, I wish it rained. It's so bloody hot. Let's take a look. Physical Render. How did a channel of such calibre pass me by? If you thought I had a soothing voice, I don't know where you get that from. This guy's voice is much more soothing. And the things he makes are bloody amazing. They put me to shame. I'll be saying that a lot this episode. All of this stuff puts me to shame. Who am I to be presenting these guys? I mean, this guy doesn't need too much up. He's doing rather well. And I'm very glad for him. I'm a big Studio Ghibli fan. Anything with Ghibli in and I'll watch it. And anything with a water feature and I'll doubly watch it. Whatever that means. Now, Physical Render likes to implement engineering into the art. So it's not just art, it's also engineering. Like the water feature in this video that I'm showing right now. Also, he's very funny. And so is the editing. The editing's quirky. Lovely camera shots. Lovely lighting. Lots of personality. And that's what we want. Clapping my hands. Personality. Thanks, Physical Render. My stomach's making all kinds of funny noises. Now, the second on the list is another recommendation from you, thy chatters. Peculiar Workshop. And the video is Dice Roll a Potion! An Eye of Providence. I have checked them out, and I'm happy to say I'm a fan, as I am with the Physical Render as well. See, as we're doing this, I'm subscribing to these channels. I'm watching these channels. So it's what you should be doing at home. Let's take a look at Peculiar Workshop, shall we? I love a quirky crafter who has access to woodlands, which Peculiar Workshop in fact does. This is a lovely channel, a very endearing channel. I love life-size props and things like potions, and it's just fun. It's stuff I want to make, but I just never got round to it. The dice roller potion that they make in this video is a great idea. And they make a very funny video, very funny intros, very funny outros. I've also watched a few other videos, and Vladimir the Bat stood out to me. I particularly loved Vladimir the Bat. If you're watching Peculiar Workshop, you should be very proud of Vladimir. Now be sure to go and check out Peculiar Workshop. It's a channel that is brimming with charm. Very rural, rustic charm. Homemade is the feeling I get. And it's all things that we can make ourselves. If you have the imagination, which Peculiar Workshop certainly does. Thanks, Peculiar Workshop. Right, we're going to take a little break from this. Just briefly, I want to show you something. Yonder. Is yonder that way? Bonder. Fronder. I want to show you something over there before we get on with the video. Come with me. Now, look at this. Rather lovely thing with a big weighted base there. It's the Lit One's F630, and they have sent me 2 of these lovely things. Before I was relying on these little things and some other stuff. Ignore the mess. But these are much better. Touch that, comes on very softly. Goes even brighter, if you could believe it. So bright you can't see anything else. We have gold. We have somewhere in the middle. But they are super bright. Let me turn it right up and you can see just how scruffy my desk is. Look at that. Thanks, Lit Ones. Right, those rather wonderful lamps over there are the Lit Ones Comfort Glow Series F630. Now, if you'd like to get yourself some, I have a discount code for you. Pretty good discount code. It's 12% off, which is very good. I'm very happy with those lamps. I've been struggling with lighting for a long time. You may have noticed if you've watched my videos. The link's going to be below, but the code is 12% off DanLit12. Now, what they didn't know is that my granddad's surname was Lit, L-I-T. So Dan Lit is, or could have been, my full name. It's not. My sister has taken on the surname Lit, but her first name is Chelsea, so her initials are C. Lit. Right, on to our third suggestion. Somebody that I've watched and rather enjoy is Small Time Hobby Shop, which is run by Chris, and the title of the video is Crafting a Ruined Blacksmith or how to make a video in under 2 years, and then hyphen again. Too many hyphens. Making Mordheim. This is a rather charming channel. Let's take a little look, shall we?
So why did this take me almost 2 years to make?
How indeed, Small Time Hobby Shop. Now, you may be thinking everybody and their mother has made a blacksmith's, but that's not really what this video is about. Yeah, sure, it makes a great blacksmith's. There's a lot of great techniques and things, but the video is more about the crafter, the creator. They speak a lot about their feelings, the processes. It's all very relatable. Also edited in a very nice way. I do appreciate a good split screen. If you've seen my channel, then you certainly know I like a split screen. Also, there is a small child involved at some point, and I'm assuming it's their daughter. Much like myself, my daughter has been in my videos. She loves to be featured, and it warms the heart. I do hope you make plenty more videos. You've only got a couple so far, but hopefully this will give you that little push you need, the encouragement you need to carry on making some more videos. Now, I know this took you 2 years, but let's get it down to 2 months, shall we? It's a bit rich coming from me, I know. Right, before the special guest comes on to make their suggestion, I have one last suggestion here recommended by you, the viewer, and it is Kate Sculpts. That's Kate, C-A-T-E, Sculpts. And the video is how I made Fugolian Vermilion. I don't know what Fugolian is. Vermilion's a colour, or a very posh boy. How I made a Fugolian Vermilion from anime Black Clover. I think I've heard of Black Clover. Anime to me is Akira, or Ghost in the Shell, or Urotsukidoji. Let's take a little look, shall we, at Kate Sculpts.
Hello, I'm Kate, and I like to sculpt. Apparently, considering it has been 6 or so whole months since my last video.
Hello, Kate. Kate sculpts, and sculpts incredibly well. I don't like to be presumptuous, but listening to Kate's voice, I'm assuming she's a lot younger than I am. And she really, I said I was going to say it several times, puts my sculpting skills to shame. I mean, in this video here with a Fugolian Vermilion, whatever that is, it looks like an action figure. It's brilliant. It's so well done. The book comes out of the hand. It's detachable. Very impressive stuff. Now, I hadn't sculpted anything until I was probably in my 30s. But I'm sure even if I'd started at a young age, I don't think I could have achieved the sculpts that Kate has achieved here. I've used the word affable on this program before. I say program, there's 2 episodes. But Kate is very affable, very likeable, very relaxing, and very enjoyable. Do continue what you're doing, Kate. You should be very proud. Now, I promised you a special crafting guest, and boy, is he special. He's a special boy. It is Greg Johnson Making. I like to think of him as a friend. Greg. Greg has a recommendation here. Roll VT.
Greg Johnson Making. Oh, hello there. My name's Greg Johnson, and I'm making. It's not a great name for a channel. My channel was called Greg Johnson, and then I started making, so that's what I'm called. I do minis, props, and costume things, this sort of thing you see here, so if you like that, check me out. But it's not about me. I've been drawing inspiration from the great April Rose Art. They do these custom doll mods. It's somewhere between sculpture, monster design, and costume design. They did a whole range of demons based on the 7 deadly sins, and currently I'm making these brilliant figures based on different types of mushroom. Very textural, lots of different sculpting techniques, and just a really nice vibe. Immaculate presentation, sort of white background. How they do it, it's more than I can achieve in my space, but it's really chill. I think local to me, I think Northern English, I might be wrong. And yeah, inspiring and relaxing and fun to watch. Really beautiful stuff. April Rose Art. Recommended.
That was a great suggestion, Greg. I have looked into April Rose Art. Mightily impressed. Thank you, Greg. Hopefully we'll get some more craft guests on to make their recommendations. Now, before we get on to craft news, I want to thank the patrons. So many patrons since the last video. I'm very, very grateful. We have Lance Huntsman, William O. Bradisley, Luke Foster, Corrine Cardinal, Wanna, and they subscribe for the whole year, so thank you, Wanna. Lance Paulson, Michael Vogel, and Cameron Clark. Thank you so much for joining the Patreon. I'm flattered. It made me want to do this again, which I'm doing now. If you'd like to join Patreon and help me carry on, the link's right here. Thanks so much. If you can't afford it, that's fine. Just watch. That's what I do. Crafting news. Technically, well, we'll do the news first. The news is Games Expo is going on right now. Probably by the time I've posted this video, Games Expo is done. Everybody's all sweaty. They're all off to their rooms to make love. Craft weather. You may notice a little colour in my face. It's because I've been camping on the 3 hottest days of the year in this country. Probably the year. The entire year. It's probably going to be the 3 hottest days. It was 33 degrees Celsius, not Fahrenheit, because Fahrenheit's stupid. How does that relate to crafting? Well, I got a little worried, so I googled at what temperature does hot glue melt. Well, it melts at 60 degrees Celsius, so we've got tons of room. They're fine. And don't you be worrying about your hot glue. But do put sunscreen on. I imagine a lot of you are quite pale. That brings us to the... Maybe I'll do this for the fun now. Ooh. Is that annoying? Is that going to get clicks? That brings us to the end of this video. And as far as magpie news goes, Last episode I said I want to befriend a magpie. I've been told I can't because they don't want magpie shit everywhere. The magpie shit a lot. I have since learned what a magpie call is. It's kind of like, been getting right into my birds lately. And I don't mean women. Chance be a fine thing. Thanks for watching. If you have any more recommendations, please leave me comments. I've got a list. I'm keeping a big old list. I've got it here. Look, there's a big old list there. I'm adding to the list. I'm working my way through them. Licomscribe if you want, which is like, comment, subscribe. But I'm going to extend that. Licomscribe, bell wipe. Licomscribe, bell wipe. Like, comment, subscribe, bell notification, and hype. Licomscribe, bell wipe, tron. That's patrons at the end. I was being cheeky. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to share this video because the algorithm won't.